Okay, guys, if you should notice, there are some assets that are going on a certain direction for some days now. Okay, and of course, they've really been going in that direction for so many days, and people are now asking me to check the some of these assets out to see what is most likely to happen right now. Okay, most especially now that we are looking at the weekend ahead of us. Okay, so we will be checking out some of these assets right here in this video. In short, we will be checking out all the assets, try to check out the direction and why they are going into that direction. Then we also need to know what we should do at this point. It is always important to check out all these things before you jump into a trade. And that is one of the secrets of you making something reasonable whenever you are trading. Okay, so tag along with me as we go into this. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any personal question, you can drop your question for me on WhatsApp, or you drop it within the comment section. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with GainX 1200. If you should notice, GainX 1200 started the uptrend right from here. I told you that it's going to buy for a very long time. I remember very well, that should be about a week ago. I told you it's going to go for a very long time once it breaks out above this trend resistance zone. Okay, above this trend resistance line. Okay, and it broke out from there. Check it out, it has been spiking since then. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend, breaking out from most resistance zone. Okay, this is what we call full uptrend. Okay, so this is basically on full uptrend, and that is why it has been shooting up and shooting up and shooting up, even though there are pullbacks in between, which are major pullbacks. Okay, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It's also broke out. It actually got to this region yesterday and it played around it yesterday, but as you can see, it has broken away from it to give us more buying opportunity. So as we can see, it actually broke out from there over the night and to give us more buying opportunity. So that is because it's on full uptrend. Okay, so now what should we do at this point, because it has gotten to another resistance zone? So before you can, because this is actually on full uptrend, it means that there is a place, or we have more milking area above. That is why it has been breaking out from most resistance zone. Now, in order to know the next move from here, you need to go to H1. You need to go to the higher time frame actually, but I love starting with H1 to see if I can get something out from the H1. Okay, as you can see, this is the period, I mean the area it's tried to milk. Okay, if you should watch my video yesterday, I told you that it has more milking to do around here, and that is what it has actually achieved right now. Okay, so if you should notice, this has actually got into the resistance zone that it got to around here, which is a major one. Okay, so which means we might have a major sell, that is a major downtrend. Okay, coming up any moment from now. But before we conclude on that, I would like to check H4, because that is the highest part we can see on H1. So let's check what is happening in H4. Okay, so here we go, guys. Here we go. So you can see this, right? This is the resistance zone. Okay, so if this, okay, let me use this. This is the resistance zone we are actually talking about. It has gotten there. If it does not, I don't see it breaking out from here easily. Okay, if it does not break out from here, then it will switch into a downtrend fully. Okay, but if it should break out from here, guys, then it means that it's still going to buy more, because we still have free zones to achieve around here. Okay, so definitely it might want to get to this region, or probably get above here if it breaks out from there. Okay, but right here is also a major resistance zone. You can see it. This is what sends this to downtrend to this level. So it has gotten there again. If it does not break out above the resistance zone, then we may likely have a good sell again, and probably the sell might end somewhere here where this support resistance zone gets to. Okay, before going back up again. And of course, if there is a breakout, a proper breakout from here, then definitely we should be looking out for this resistance zone. Okay, even though it's a minor one, and if it should break out from there, then that means it will be targeting this region, which is a major, another major resistance zone. So this is what we should look out for. Okay, try to see the direction of the trend, I mean where the market is going, most especially when you are having a trendy, a major trendy situation like this. Okay, so you should know how to handle it this way. Okay, you go ahead to higher time frame to check out what is really happening that is making it to break out from most resistance or support zone, depending on the direction of the assets. Okay, so that is for GainX 1200. Now let us also check out GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This also had been on uptrend right from here. There are major pullbacks in between. It gave room for major pullbacks, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, now let's see what is happening so that we get to know where it is heading to. Okay, so as you can see, we have free ranging areas here. So what are we saying? This is still going to buy. Guys, this is fully on uptrend. It will give you more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Of course, there will be pullbacks just the way we are having it around here. Okay, and we might be experiencing a major pullbacks like this. It will almost look like it is changing the trend, but it is not. It is just a pullback. Okay, because it will definitely go back. It will not get to where it is supposed to get to if it's selling, and it will definitely go back and buy and break the structure to buy, to give room for an uptrend movement. Okay, and that's what happened around there. You can see this major pullback, but it came back there and broke out from the structure, and it means that this is still going to buy more. So GainX 999 is also on a major uptrend. Okay, so and it has a long way to go. Okay, you can imagine those that have come in around here, they will just be looking, even though there are pullbacks, they will just be looking, because they are, I mean, they are assured that they will be in profit, in big profit at the end of the day. This trade can go for like a week, 2 weeks or thereabouts before it gets to where it is going to, and in between you will always have pullbacks. Okay, pullbacks is, I mean, pullback is actually part of the game. Okay, now let's move on to PainX 1200. Okay, this is PainX 1200. Okay, this had also been on uptrend, actually got to the support zone, tried to buy for a while, but went back down to break out below that support zone to sell more, and it has gotten to this region, trying to go back on uptrend right now. But let's see how far this will also go. Okay, okay guys, there is one thing I want us to see here. Okay, so this is on 1 hour time frame. This had been on downtrend around here, but it has gotten to a major support zone, and that is why it's trying to buy right now. This is it. It was respected around there, and it's bought till it got to this region. So if it's going to follow that trend, then it should be stopping somewhere here. So, and that will have given a big impact for those that want to buy. Okay. And of course, guys, we should also take note of something. Right here is another major support region, okay, which can send the trade back up. Okay. So it is another major support region. So which means if it should break out from here, this is where it is coming to. This region is where it is coming to. Okay, so we should look out for that. For now, it is buying. So if it continue to buy like that, then definitely it's going to buy for long. But if it should go back and break and try out the support zone again, it's most likely for it to break out from there, and it will be heading towards the next support zone, which is what I am showing you right here. And if that happens, okay, then definitely we are most likely to have a major uptrend coming up right from there. Okay, so we should take note of that and use the opportunity to milk the market. But for now, it is buying, and hopefully if it breaks out from the current level, which is this, okay, we are most likely to get it around somewhere. Okay, it is already there, around here, to get it around here. Okay, so it might buy till it gets to that level. So that is very, very important. So we should take note of that. Now let's check out PNX 999. This is PNX 999. I actually dropped this signal for us, for those that were able to take advantage of it. Entry points, stop loss, and check it out. That's amazing. It has been buying, claiming most of the TPs which have been highlighted. And of course, if I should check 1 hour time frame, so you see this is still going far, guys. This is still going far. We still have 2 more TPs to be achieved right here. Okay, so we have achieved 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one which has just been achieved. Okay, so we still have the 6th one and the 7th one to be achieved. Okay, and of course it may likely get to this spot also, or probably if it breaks out from there, it may likely get to this spot. So we should take note of that. This is still buying, just the way we are seeing it. We have free areas to milk around there, free areas to milk around there, and I'm very sure the market will want to get there before it will start switching from one trend to another. Okay, now let's check this. Let's check this. This is FX volume 80. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. Okay, FX volume 80 started an uptrend right from this support region, and we can see it has been going on well. Got to this region, is having a pullback right now. Once it is done with a pullback, I expect it to go back up to retest this and break out from here. Okay, I need it to break out from this structure, and I believe it's even going to go far from there. Okay, so that is why you need to take advantage of the opportunity. And if you should check it on the other time frame also, you will notice that the movement is actually clear. Okay, so you can see all these areas are free region that it should milk. Okay, so this is where we are expecting it to get to fully. Okay, but it might take some time, it might take some days, but it's going to be more of an uptrend. There will definitely be pullbacks in between. Just make sure you make the best out of it. Okay, so guys, if you should notice, I didn't even focus on the custom made indicator here, but what I have just been doing is the same thing the custom made indicator will also do for you. Okay, which is you using the trend to trade. Okay, we are focusing on the trend, and of course, and try to see what the trend is going to give us on a long run. Okay, most especially if it is following a particular trend for a while, it is always important you go over it on higher time frame to check it out. What is making it to break out from the resistance zone or from the support zone, and why is it following that trend for a very long time? Is it actually targeting a particular space? Okay, so once you notice that we have free zones like this, then you should know that, okay, it seems that that is where it is actually heading to. Okay, so it's one, I mean, the market is trying to sweep every opportunities within that free zone for you. Okay, so that is what your target should be, and make sure you also use a proper risk management system. Once you are able to do this, then you are cool, guys. Okay, if you are finding it difficult to analyze on your own, then you can make use of my trading to my custom made indicator to help you analyze better. Okay, if you have any question about what we have done today, drop your question in the comment section. But if you have any question about the custom made indicator, drop your question for me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.